Morning fellas, Ben back again with this beautiful piece of machine. Sandeep's 411, if you guys remember, long ago in my channel, I would have made some videos with him and his particular motorcycle, this one. But this one has seen a lot of revelations. It's now as light as Ben, in fact lighter. I mean, a whole lot of custom goodies that I will run you through in a minute. But a 411, purpose built, more like a scrambler, can do just about anything and everything. Honestly fellas, so much better than the scram that Royal Enfield put out because of what this has in it. And Sandeep has always been a maintenance fella, an addict like me. We both maintain our motorcycles really well. He just sees to it that everything is a lot more aesthetic than me, and yeah, that's obvious. You get to see the machine looking brand new. This is about 6 months later than mine. This was the first BS4 with the ABS system. Mine was the non-ABS system. So yeah, younger brother I would say, but yeah, look at that 6-year-old machine, looks as good as new. And Sandeep custom painted the tank. He got this beautiful green, this wine green, or what can you call this, a lovely green shade on the tank. And I just love it. I made this spoiler sort of a thing, mud flap for his upper high fender, and the lower fender is also a custom made one. Yeah, I'll just quickly run you through all that this motorcycle has. Performance wise, there is a Powertronic piggyback system. There is the HT cable from NGK and the spark plug adapter, the boot, the NGK spark plugs, synthetic oil. Performance wise, the suspension is YSS rear, YSS complete kit front, complete front YSS. You guys just look at this. He also has the YSS preload adjusters, and mine, they look amazing. These fellas look just amazing. So the front and the rear, both YSS complete kit. And what else do we have? Chain from RK. This chain, he has used a white chain spray, chain lube, and that's why it looks white. It's supposed to be a gold chain. This is the RK gold chain, 520 pitch conversion. And what else does he run? Well, what else can I see? A whole lot of, yeah, the red Rooster complete kit with the bend pipe and the muffler. The complete kit, bend pipe and muffler. This will lean out the bottom end heavily. It'll only help with the higher end, and the higher end is fantastic on this motorcycle. Really good, much better than any stock 411. So much better because you have a free flowing muffler. The bottom end has to be worked. I will work on his map. What else? Yeah, some the controls. The controls are another fantastic bunch of goodies. So what he runs is the KTM handlebar with the pivot risers, and the KTM Adventure 390 handlebar, and he also has the Barkbusters, the original Barkbuster spine with the VPS guards. So that's as far as the handlebar goes. What else? He's kind of added a green film to his instrument console. What else do I see? Yeah, so yeah, those are the bits, the main bits. The rest of it is weight reduction. Yeah, oh my, I missed out on the most beautiful upgrade or mod, I would say. That's the XL Takasago rims. These are the XL Asia rims, not exactly hardcore off-road rims, but more than enough to make the wheel, the set of lighter. Huge difference in weight, and that would translate into much better rolling resistance, much lesser rolling resistance. Reduction in unsprung mass translates into much better performance than any bloody performance mod that you do to the machine. So the volumetric efficiency and that business is on one direction, whereas reducing weight, especially weight that is suspended, if you can do that, suspended on the suspension, if you can do that, including the shocks, the shock is about, I believe, 2.5 kgs lighter than the shock. There is a factory shock. That makes a huge difference, makes the vehicle a lot more a lot more responsive, and also if you have these rims, game changer. These rims complement the suspension. That's the most important thing. These rims will complement the suspension and make the whole bike feel a lot more attack friendly. So that is Sandeep's beautiful scrambler, and it is a scrambler. It is just like a scrambler, light, easy to take on anything. Does not really offer that kind of confidence that Ben offers to go attack things, like, because Ben sits high up and Ben can just jump on things, and you don't feel intimidated by anything. And Ben also runs the tech cam, so there's a mad rush of acceleration after a point, whereas this starts behaving like the long stroke, which kind of settles down at about 4,500 RPMs. Settles down, like settling down where the torque curve starts to flatten. Yeah, so that's that. Lovely machine, love it for what it is. Beautiful looking machine, and unbelievable that 6 years later this bike still looks ass-kickingly good. Well, if this video inspired you fellows to keep your 411 by the way, Sandeep has a collection of motorcycles. Sandeep has the Tiger Rally Pro 900 Rally Pro. Sandeep has a Bonneville 1200. Sandeep has all kinds of motorcycles. He has a collection of motorcycles, and he still loves going around on this. He's gotten it to me to tweak the suspension to suit his riding and his weight, and I'm going to do that. So imagine, why we hold on to the 411s. There is a reason why we hold on to the 411s. These are unique as they can get. Do not really end up thinking that the 450 is a replacement to the 411. No way, impossible. If you have a good 411 custom built, this is a unique experience, really unique experience. So yep, let me just get started with the works. I'll get back to you on another one. Some nice mods coming your way on the 450 Sherpa. Ciao.